Hello everyone, my name is Ambrosio and I'm a junior major in computer science and I'm here to talk to you about the internet. So what is the internet? You can think of the internet as a giant enormous network of devices, where a device can be a computer, a laptop, an iPad, anything that can connect to the internet. So the image that you see here is actually a small fraction of the internet. Every single line that you see there is a connection between two devices. And now, you may ask yourselves, wait a second, how does a device at the very top there connect to the device to the very bottom there? How does he know how to send a message? So for example, let's say that I want to send a text to my friend. And in order to understand how all of this happens, you can think of the internet as a giant mail system, where every single device basically has an address that can identify in giant network. So I read the message, and then once I have the message and I tell my phone, send this message, what my phone will basically do is kind of like make an envelope where it will put the information, it will put my address and my friend's address, and it will send it. So the next step after sending it is that what if the messages are usually very big. So what you do after that is that you break the message into little tiny pieces called packets. And the data that goes into those packets, it's that it's like source address, destination address, and whatnot. So you break all these all your data into little packets so that when it gets to your friend's phone, it gets reassembled, and all the information they basically will say is, okay, this is how you reassemble all the little pieces. And so you basically have little packets, and you send them to your internet service provider or ISP. As you see in the animation, all the little pieces go through these machines called routers. What routers basically are these machines that kind of like go and say, okay, this packet is going to New Haven, let's send it to this cable. This packet is going to Boston, let's send it to that cable, and so on. So the internet is very huge and super complex. So in order to understand it better and to kind of like adapt it to new technologies, we break it into 4 layers. The application layer, the transport layer, the internet layer, the link layer, and the physical layer. The physical layer is just basically kind of like all the bells and all the cables and machines that you need in order to power the internet. As programmers, you usually work on the application layer, where you make cool apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. And you really need to know everything about the internet if you want to make an app, but the more you know, the more you can do. If any of you has heard of League of Legends or any other cool, or Minecraft, for example, if you want to do something really cool like that, you really need to understand all of these layers. So I encourage you to do so. And as a student, I actually, the last summer I interned at this company called Juniper Networks, which basically manufactures a lot of the machines that are needed to power the internet. That thing right down there is actually a router that was manufactured by Juniper. And my project was basically use a Raspberry Pi, which is a very small computer, and program it so that it could actually control all these routers for the engineers. So there are many cool things that you can do on your own too with Raspberry Pi. You can have your own Pi home server. If you really want to, you could make your mini computer and put it in your lunchbox so that no one can see it, like that. And if you really want to go all the way, you can also use the Raspberry Pi and all your knowledge about the internet and make an application so that you can control from your phone the doors of your garage, the lights on your house, in order to save energy. And actually, NASA uses those kind of things in order to save energy in their buildings. So I encourage you to never stop learning and to ask lots of questions. That's how things around you work, so that you can discover them and actually make it to us. Thank you.